Alright, well, I got some scrap metal laid off over here in the woods right past the bucket. We'll see if I can get Rosey fired up here and get it loaded. Alright, well, that's that. Really, I just want to load up those two heavy track chains. Obviously, all the little lightweight stuff I just threw in the bucket. But those track chains are about a ton a piece, I believe. So there was no picking those up. I don't even think my tractor could pick them up, nor could the tractor get in here to get to them. So Rosey's doing her job again. Just take a little walk over here and see if I missed anything. Yeah, there's a piece of rebar there. Oops. Piece of rebar. I only consciously loaded one sprocket in, track sprocket, and there should be two, but the other one might have been tangled up in that first chain I picked up. Or the second chain, I don't know. Yeah, a few more little scraps in here. Here's a chunk of something. Old bolt out of a tie mat. But that ought to do her for now. I've got some more rebar up by the house and a few more scraps laying around here and there. I'll get loaded up, but I think I'll take off and take her to the dump. Well, we're at the junkyard now, and worst part about coming here is people are ignorant. I don't know why this guy in the Chevy won't pull up, and the GMC, why he won't pull up and start unloading, I have no idea. I guess he'd rather sit and watch other people unload than get his stuff unloaded and get out of here. So he won't move, so I can't move. But I think one of the operators here told me that I can back up further in the back, and I'll be able to raise up and dump the whole thing out. So now we wait. Now we wait for other people to decide that they want to get something done. But my gross weight coming in was about 16,000 pounds, a little over 16,000. The truck is 8. The trailer is, I think, about $3, so I'm hoping I get around $330, $350, somewhere in there. We'll just have to see. They're giving 6 cents a pound right now, which is the highest I've seen it in several years. So we'll see. Let's see what the ticket gives us. This is how I like unloading scrap metal right here. Which, of course, I wouldn't be able to pick it up and haul it out anyway. Got that crane operator sitting right there. He can grab it out if he has to. He's got a big claw, but we're going to just dump it out of here and be done.